first gear rib. Yeah, mine as well. It's probably just gonna spin.
Birds chirping, sun's out. You're leaving me.
Ladies and gents, it's time to head to Florida. Oh. Did it all fit? Hunter, thank you so much for having us. Seriously, this has been the best trip that we've ever done. It's so awesome. Thank you. Check out Hunter on Instagram and S3 Mag.
At the Hunter Rollins, at S3 Magazine. Hopefully we'll be doing a lot more with Caleb in the future.
Yep, now that I'm moving down to Georgia.
Oh! He put it on the channel! He put it on the channel! Alright!
How was it in there?
Oh, dude, it's cozy.
Oh man, Pasha gets to sit up front for once.
Yeah.
For once, yeah.
Bye, Hunter. Mateo will lead us to safety. So we're running out of fuel. We got 10 pounds of fuel pressure. It started like stumbling on the highway. But yet, the gas gauge says I've got a quarter tank left. Thankfully, we're not in the middle of nowhere, Indiana, so there's
palm
actually palm trees? Palm trees?
Palm trees.
All right, note to self, don't trust the gas gauge. Gotta fix that. Coasted into the parking. Well, the other thing was like, I didn't know how many miles we had put on that tank, so I was just kind of trusting the gas gauge.
Zach sauce and chicken. We can get some Zach sauce and chicken.
Gas is so cheap down here. The Volvo is driving fantastically. It's weird, it's driving way better and way smoother than it did when we left. I don't know the science behind things, but it feels like things have broken in and like, it's awesome. It's so good. The weather out here is amazing. It's like 60 degrees, maybe 70. Shorts. We living the life.
We're living the life.
Are we living the life?
Zach, can we get some Zach sauce and chicken?
So the gas tank on the Volvo is a 15.6 gallon tank, I believe. Pretty sure I Googled it. We just put in 15.57 gallons. So we were totally out. Thankfully we made it. Good job, Volvo, good job. I've got some guy with a stock SS on Instagram calling this car out.
He's gonna beat you.
I think you're right. I think the stock Camaro SS is gonna whoop this car. Boys, we're in Florida! Florida! Yeah!
Look, I'm about my pledge. I'm decked up on blue bills, and I won't stop until the cash pit look like fall leaves in a backfield. Tell her out of my face if she coming with that bull. Quit to save my peace, I'm so after school special. She brainy, but them jeans looking like paint.
So today is a chill day. We're gonna go hang out with some YouTubers, meet some people. It's like a networking day, just hanging out, having fun.
Chillest of chill.
Ow.
I know I shouldn't complain about the heat, man, but it's already too hot. But I mean, like, come on, like, I'm just used to 0 degree weather. So going from 0 degrees to 80 degrees, it feels really warm. Well, guys, if you don't recognize this, we're here at Taylor Ray's place.
What's up, everybody?
So we figured we'd stop by, get a tour of the place, check out some of the builds. Taylor is like me, he fabricates and makes all his own stuff.
My RX-7, least favorite car.
I had an FC once.
And then the Zafiro, I've been building this. 24 turbo, built head, and yeah, typical stuff. Yeah, I'm excited. I've had a lot of fun doing the fab work on it.
Well, it was actually pretty cool though.
Taylor, I've got all my freaking...
Take notes. It's really nice having like your fab area separated from the cars.
Yeah.
'Cause I've got it all in one, so like I'm grinding, I just get metal dust all over the cars,
Yep.
and it's terrible. This is Molly's Nemesis.
Yeah, it's funny because
It fits in there so good.
It's really not bad.
So as you guys can tell, Taylor's got a ton of awesome stuff. We put the slicks on the Volvo, so I'm gonna give him a ride. This thing also overheats pretty bad if it's sitting still.
Yeah, you need a fan shroud.
I've got some eBay
I saw,
fans.
and I was gonna say something, but I'm like, maybe it doesn't overheat.
Nope, it overheats bad.
Yeah, you need a fan shroud and some beefy fans.
Yeah, it's just so hard to fit it all.
Yeah.
I think I'll probably do like, I was debating whether to trying to do like 212s, which is what's on there now. But I can't fit a race 12 shroud.
No, the 12.
I think I'll probably do like a race 16 shroud. Just one.
Yeah, just make sure if you do a big, like a half-inch offset shroud and seal it with weather stripping, it'll make all the difference.
Okay.
My Miata had 2 fans set up just like that, cheap fans, no shroud. Yep, keep going straight. And it overheated, like just driving around. Now, literally, I can do 2 drift runs and it'll be at operating temp still.
That's cool. Oh, I just blew the tires off.
Oh my, but it sounds so good!
Yeah.
Dude, Turbo LS's do not sound this cool in videos. Oh, it sounds so good.
Yeah, it sounds awesome with the valve open because you can hear the turbo and stuff.
The turbo spooling and everything.
Spits mad flames.
Does
too.
it?
Yeah. I don't know why.
That's always funny when cars spit flames.
Yeah, it's like, it's not good, but it's cool.
Yeah, you're like, it's probably not what it should be doing, but it's cool that it does it.
How are the cops in Florida?
Depends on where you're at. Orlando, they don't give a fuck because they got more important shit to deal with.
Yeah.
Here, they give a fuck.
Really?
Because I lived here in high school.
Okay.
Then I lived in Orlando.
It's also on stock brakes and stock suspension.
Yeah, it definitely feels good, but it's comfortable.
It's really comfortable.
It's really comfortable.
That's what I really wanted was...
Yeah, that's the key. As I get older, I want, like, comfort is so important to me.
Exactly.
In a car, any car. Yeah, no, I didn't even think about it until you said that. But, like, the seats are comfy, it rides nice. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's funny because, like, I feel
Oh
like
my
I'm
God.
used to it, and then I rip it, and I'm like, oh,
Not used
yeah,
to it.
not used to it.
Okay, I would say that was significantly more intense than I expected, to be honest. Holy! It's even scarier because the car's so boaty.
I know, the suspension lifts up so
The whole
high.
thing's like, oh my god.
It's so fun. I love this thing so much.
This thing is amazing.
Yeah.
This thing is definitely amazing.
It just puts smiles on people's faces.
Yeah,
like, it's just so
I'm
fun.
smiling. This makes me more excited for my turbo.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be awesome.
Because I was thinking about it the other day, and I'm like, well, my Miata makes 500. It's only gonna make like 600, maybe 7, and it's heavier, so it should be the same. But this feels amazing.
It's a whole different
feeling.
monster. Yeah.
See if you can go right.
Yeah.
It's crazy. This area is getting developed so much. Like they're building some crazy shit over here. They built those apartments.
Yeah, that's kind of how like where I live. It's just like suburbs of Chicago, and there's stuff that's being built everywhere.
Yeah, it's wild.
It's a cool road, actually.
It's really pretty.
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's like 4 90-degree turns or 3. So it's kind of fun to rip in a sporty car, but
yeah, that's the only sad thing about this is like we ran into some nice mountain roads on the way down like through Tennessee. It's like you can't really have fun.
No, you can't do anything.
It's still fun, but it's not. You're not ripping it. That's for sure.
No, it's not like driving a Miata.
Exactly.
Yeah, so. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just feels so wild with the car. The whole car is just like floating around.
Floating is a great way to put it.
Yeah,
it
it's just
very
like
floaty.
It feels like you're floating.
Yeah.
Like that. The way this car moves is the best use of the term floating.
Yeah.
That I've ever used. Most accurate depiction.
I don't rip this thing on anything besides a straight road. Because especially when you're in it, like the steering is like, you have no idea where you're going.
You feel it, and you're like, I know the brakes aren't very good.
Yeah,
so
I know that
we
too.
gotta stop. we're probably gonna die. Probably gonna die.
That's what makes it partly fun.
Yeah, no, the scary death trap aspect of it.
But it's a Volvo, it's safe, right?
That's true. It's like the safest car ever.
Yep.
Were they that safe back in these days?
Yeah, I mean,
I know like the 80s and 90s ones are like the crazy, super safe ones. I didn't know if they were like that all the way through.
Oh, this is an 89.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's an 89.
I don't know my Volvos. I guess I'm thinking of 90s.
Should I try a first gear rib?
Yeah, why not? Oh, it's probably just gonna spin.
The more I love it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's the valve. Nice and quiet now.
Oh, I see. Yeah, I'm definitely doing that.
Yeah.
My truck, I was gonna do like exhaust, and that was it. You know, because I'm street truck.
Yep.
But definitely doing that.
It's nice to be able to open up the valve and get a turbo
Yeah,
and
because
stuff.
you get the best of both worlds.
Yeah.
The Matt Apple dude, he did one. It was it's called a loud valve. So it opens in boost.
Yeah, I saw that. But like, I kind of like hearing the boost come on.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah, same. That's probably the best noise.
Yeah.
It's crazy how much quieter it is.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love it.
Wild. Did you, when you dynoed it, you probably just did it with the valve open, right?
Yeah, I hadn't made the exhaust yet with on the dyno too.
Okay.
It's been a fun trip for us because we've like been dialing the car in as we travel.
Yeah, true.
Like the car is doing so much better than it was when we first left.
Right. Like you got, it's a good torture test.
Yeah, it really is.
It's not like, oh, I drove it and had this weird issue, I'm gonna park it and deal with it later.
Exactly.
It's like, we gotta deal with this now.
Yep.
I had a vet and it had bad synchros in first and second. And I just drove it like that for the entire time I had it. And I did a giveaway on it and I was like, oh, I gotta fix this. And I finally put a trans in it and I was like, dude, why didn't I do this 2 years ago?
Yeah, wait for it.
Fucking leaves, man. Leaves
Yeah, they attack.
One day I was like, I'm gonna rake real quick.
Yeah, not
I
worth
raked for 2 hours, filled up 3 trash cans that hadn't even put a dent in it.
Well, that was fun. Right now, we're gonna take a ride in his Miata. Obviously, it's a V8. So, what engine is it?
It is a L92,
Okay.
so 6.2. It's a Escalade engine, very similar to an LS3. Like it's basically LS3, has some slight differences for the aficionados out there. Basically an LS3, very similar with a big cam.
Nice.
And E85 makes right at 500.
Damn.
Like it made for like 96 or something.
It's gonna be 500 naturally aspirated horsepower
It's
in a
pretty
light
intense.
car. Yeah.
They make-
Is this T56 as well?
No, CD.
Okay.
I like the CD.
Yeah, T56 are known to be kind of whack.
Yeah, I have a T56 in the RX-7 and I hate it.
Yeah. I got lucky, I guess. My T56 is.
Yours looks like it shifts good.
Yeah, it's pretty awesome. I bought that motor with 60,000 miles on it, so.
Damn, that's wild.
Yeah. The shift is so awesome. Well, thank you very much for the ride.
Yeah, thank
That
you
was
for the ride.
awesome.
That was awesome.
Yeah, hell
I
yeah.
got the ride. That was fun.
Good stuff. Make sure to check out Taylor's channel. Does some cool things. Hopefully we'll see him again sometime soon.